download the app, you get it, it pops up on your device. And normally you can just add, say, save to taskbar. So that puts the icon down here, or whatever other shit you use. So if you have multiple monitors, you just minimize it. And then you have one on your desktop from where you downloaded it. You just double click that one. It's going to open the second like you had. Once he adds the scanners, you can have this one with the scanner and just link them because it's got the same linking shit on the charts and make this multi-time frame. So you can change this however you want it laid out. Like if you want to look at, say, I don't know, I guess you need like 6 charts for all the way to the daily. So you would do it like that, and then you would link all these to the same ticker and the chain. And then you can have this one with other plays you're already in. You would just change it to the, I mean, you've got the script and you got access to it forever. So I don't know. I don't know how his brain works, but this is much faster and better. I don't think we're gonna. He's always improving shit. So, but that's just a way to get the two screens. So you can just change this one to the layout you want. And just know when you close, whatever you close out of last, when you reopen it's going to reopen to that thing. So I haven't figured out how to save it yet. So if somebody wants to tinker with that and figure it out, that would be great. Uh, the other thing is, yeah, can't you just right click and create shortcut? I did it when I downloaded it because John helped me do it. And he's like, save it to your taskbar. I don't know. I'm not that computer smart. I thought you just right click it here and you can create shortcut. No. Yeah, he's already downloaded that. Yeah. So once you download the app, and if you first log in, it's gonna, I mean, you got the copy. You can just, like you said, you can just drag it down here, I guess, and add it to the, see, mine don't go, I guess, because I already got one down there. The computer figure this shit out in about 5 minutes. See, now I got to get my charts back. Like they look weird because it. Oh, that was the other thing I was saying how to switch between Alpaca and Schwab. It's just you click there and make sure they're live. But Schwab ain't live no more. It's just there it goes. I was just saying you can open 2 instances, or it's like to if you. What about the option chain? Where's that at? Above the chart? This right here. So it's only gonna pick it for what? The first chart? Have to read. It's not laid out like normal. I can't read it. I mean, it's not, I'm gonna have to get used to rereading that. It ain't like when I look at my Schwab one, I'll show you. I can look at this and just, it's fucking tight. My computer, like, cause I've been streaming all day, they throttling me back. See, like this is delta OI and volume. Like my eyes are just accustomed to looking at this. Whereas if I'm looking at this, shit's like, this is in the money. That's like, it's confusing as fuck.
NVDA under 211.41.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to bring that up. I'm gonna screenshot that.
Ah, damn it, I just got stopped out of my spy call at $1,050.
Yeah, she dumping. We going back to down 770. I hope y'all cut y'all's call. Uh, compared to this, like I can see the flow too. Like if the volume, if they're buying contracts, is increasing. Whereas on the other one, I don't see none of that shit. It's not moving. Like which one's the volume? This is the volume. It's not moving. Yeah, I'm gonna have to bring that up. I'm glad we got that on video. All right, I'm gonna stop the recording because it's like, how long is that? That's 7 minutes right there. That'll be it.